In this sequence, you're going to learn some different leg variations. Try it at your own pace after the video. We're going to start with our right leg out, and we're going to start with a forward fold. You reach the arms up high, and with your exhale, you fold forward. You relax down towards the leg. So this is our forward fold, where your only intention is to lengthen the spine and relax the body. Try not to grab the foot. Don't worry about anything other than being relaxed. When you're doing these kind of stretches, it can be nice to open up the legs in between sides when you're going from one leg to the other. One nice thing to do is to bend the knees, and you could do an easy twist between sides where you just reach the arms up with your inhale and twist to one side on the exhale. And you could do this at your own pace, but make sure you do both sides before you go on to the next leg. And on the left side, I'm going to teach you a different variation of a leg stretch. Be sure to do both on each side when you're doing this on your own. I'm going to place my left elbow against my left knee, reach my right arm up in the air, twist my heart up towards the ceiling, up towards the sky, and really just surrender, getting a deep side stretch on the entire right side of my body. And from there, go into a pose where your right knee is on the ground, right ankle is on the ground, right hand's on the ground, left arm goes up in the air. Enjoy.